Hello everyone and welcome to Yummy Origin my food channel. Today I'm going to showing you about how to make a simple way how to fry water lily beef. It is very easy and quickly recipe, but however you will need several ingredients and a lot of concentration in order to make a perfect food. So let's get started. Okay, now you can see here we need to do that for water lily. We need to slice the beef. Okay, you can see we slice thin slice here. Make the garlic. For the first step, we need to add cooking oils, as you can see in the video here. Okay, and here we add the garlic to fry beef, and after that we add chili. Okay, very good, as you can see in the video here. And we need to set well, and then we need to add a little bit salt. Okay, add salt. Okay, and here you can see salt, and then we need to set well. Now we add sugar. Okay, you can see, and then we need to add seasoning. Okay, very well, this seasoning. After add seasoning, we need to set well. Okay, now you can see you need to add oyster sauce. Okay, oyster sauce here, and then you need to set well also very well. And here you can see add fish sauce. Fish sauce. Now we add beef. Okay, very good beef. Stir well. And we need to heat up fire. Okay, now you can see we need to stir well to mix all ingredients with beef to make good taste, good flavor. Add water lily as vegetable. After we fry beef 1 minute, we need to add water lily. Done, and then we need to add spring onion here. Okay, it is very easy and quickly to cooking food. Okay, now you can see how to cooking my food in Cambodia. It is very simple and easy but yummy. Okay, now we are done. Then we need to add into the plate, the bowl. Okay, you can see here. And now we are done for this food. Okay, thank you for watching in Yummy channel. Okay, thank you very much. Now you can see. So please don't forget to subscribe on Yummy channel to get more video updates. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next video. Bye bye.